Sometimes we have to talk about tough topics, tough subjects, uncomfortable conversations like we're gonna have today, because this guy went and killed these two dogs and he was charged with felonies for aggravated animal cruelty for killing two dogs. Now, let's talk about why he killed these two dogs and how he got arrested on these felony charges. And he asked the court to dismiss everything, and the court said, no, we're not dismissing everything. He appealed it, and it's called Barnes versus the state of Florida. What happened to Barnes is Barnes has chickens, and he's got video cameras on his chicken coops. Lo and behold, these two dogs come along, bust into the chicken coop, and start eating his chickens, killing chickens. Now, I mean, just to avoid conflicts of interest and hypocrisy, I know my daughter's vegetarian, but I am full carnivore. I love chicken, and especially drive-through chicken. If it comes out of a little window, I just think it probably even tastes better. Did any of you have that Chick-fil-A pimento jalapeno sandwich that they came out with, drizzled in honey? Unbelievable sandwich. I just went there the other day. It's discontinued. It may be like the McRib, it'll appear again, and I'll rush over there to get it. But I do love chicken. So I sympathize with these two dogs that saw a virtual buffet in these chicken coops and killed these chickens. Now, when Barnes got home and saw that several of his chickens had got killed, he went and he looked around for the dogs that did it. They found the dogs. He found them rather quickly. But one of the dogs actually still was killing one of his chickens, and then the other dog kind of lunged at Barnes as if to say, please don't interrupt our meal. I don't know. I'm just filling in the blank here. I have no idea what the dog was thinking. But Barnes then proceeded to kill both of these dogs, okay? So you could talk eye for an eye. I don't know what you're gonna talk about, but let's talk about Florida law. Killing dogs is typically a felony aggravated animal cruelty, which then sends you to the jail for a felony, and you've got to go through the process. And Barnes filed a motion to dismiss because he found a Florida statute that I have never seen before. I mean, this is a great Florida statute, folks. And he moved to dismiss based on the statute, which the judge denied him, which I can't believe. After I read you the statute, be like, how did the judge deny this motion to dismiss? Anyway, it is Florida Statute 767.03. You know what the title of this statute is? Good defenses for killing dogs. That's the title of, that's what the legislator calls this. Here's how it reads, right? In any action for damages or of a criminal prosecution against a person for killing or injuring a dog, satisfactory proof that said dog had been or was killing any animal included in the definitions of domestic animal or livestock shall constitute a good defense for killing that dog. Folks, this guy Barnes had it on video that these two dogs killed his chickens, and then they were still in the process of killing when they wouldn't back off, and he shot and killed them both. The appellate court had to step in on Barnes and say, you know what? That statute looks good to us. 767.03. We're dismissing all your charges. The lesson we keep learning, though, I don't want to get too preachy here, but has anybody heard of just like fencing or leashing their dogs? Every time one of these dogs gets shot in these cases, and I see a lot of these cases, and I've even got other videos of dogs getting shot, they're off their leash, you know? This is not rocket science, folks. But I'll stop preaching. I will start thanking you for watching all these things, and we would appreciate a little like or a thumbs up or a heart or a subscribe or a bell signal, something that would help us out. Thanks again for watching. Take care.